Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, hello. My name is Karabo Makgamatho from Lesego African Print and Clothing. Lesego African Print started in 2023. We are based in Joburg, 104 Kerk Street. We started a business so that we can cater rural areas and townships with quality school uniform and customize school uniform, sportswear and corporate wear to small businesses at an affordable price. Our services, we offer sewing, embroidery, sublimation, DTF and screen printing. We also have our brand, which we call it Lab Drip. It's a streetwear that we recently introduced to our people so that you can wear your streetwear in style. People should choose us because we provide quality clothing with an affordable price. We do not compromise on our quality. We make sure that you get quality at an affordable price. And also we customize according to our client's need. And also we have a good service delivery and a good customer service. You can contact us on 061 465 8868, or you can catch us on Facebook at Lap and Clothing, LAP and Clothing. Hi, my name is Karabo and I am a township entrepreneur.